How to delete Gmail emails in bulk on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. You will then be taken to your email inbox, where you can view all your emails. On this page, press and hold any email to select it. This will enable selection mode. To select all emails visible on the screen, tap on the Select All option at the top of the screen. It will also show you the number of the selected emails. Now, tap on the Delete icon at the top to move all the selected emails to the trash folder. You have now successfully deleted the emails from your main inbox. To permanently delete them, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu icon as shown. Here, scroll down and find the trash folder. Tap on it to open the folder. Here, you can see all the emails you have deleted. To permanently remove all of them, tap on Empty Trash Now. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on OK to proceed. Here, you can see all the emails that were in the trash have been removed successfully. Following these steps, you can easily delete Gmail emails in bulk on your iPhone.